All right, everyone, we are going to take a quick look at IMX. So, Immutable X here, just keeping it real simple, looking on the weekly chart, going from the high back here in January of 2022 to the low, of course. You can see that it got over the 618, back tested it as support. We are now over the 786, and it looks like we're trying to pull back, especially if we go down to the smaller time frames, the 3 day and the daily. You can see the stock RSI is curling down here, and the Heikin-Ashi candles on the smaller time frames, especially the daily here, have been printing kind of indecisive with shadows all over the place. So this could indicate that there's a slight pullback in play here, but as long as you're over the 786 here on IMX at 273, you can consider this thing extremely bullish, and she's potentially going to break the high very soon here. And if that is going to be the case on IMX, potentially we're going to drop about 17%. But if it does come back down to that support level, you can see the high is a 72% move. And then once we break through that, the 1272 should be the next target. And you can see that as a 240% move. So a little over a 2x if this thing comes back down to the 76, back to a new price of 926 here. One other thing I would point out, if we go down to the daily chart here, we do have a little bit of confluence for support. So we're going to draw a Fibonacci going from this low to the high, and you can see our 382 matches up perfectly with that 786 here at about 273. So if this thing ends up coming down to about $3, 304 to be exact here at your 236, so be it. It may hold here, and we may bounce and go right back up. You can see a 7% drop, but potentially it looks like you want to come back down to back test for about a 17% drop at about 273 here. So a couple of prices to watch, but ultimately this thing is extremely bullish at the moment on the macro scale, and it's only a matter of time before it breaks the high, in my opinion. So we will leave it at that. Good luck, not financial advice, and we will see you the next one. Peace out.